Alright guys, later. Hello ladies and gentlemen. We are leaving Jane Motorcycles and cruising home. Whoa. No need for that. That was entirely too fast. Too fast. How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? Good, I hope. I'm doing great. Can't really complain. Well, can always complain. But there's really no need for it. This is Bedford. Is there really that much traffic here? Forget it. I'm gonna go straight. It's a MotoGP Saturday. I'm very much excited for watching the race. It's gonna be a good time. Oh, look at that. Got a little Davidson Harley here. Just now my bike was parked in the sun in front of a bunch of people, and goddamn is my bike disgusting. I should be ashamed of this machine because it's just foul. It's just dirty. It should be scrubbed and washed and degreased and all sorts of fucking things. Look at all this traffic here. You guys want to go? No? Alright. That's fine. Oh no! What's going on here? Are these people gonna turn? Maybe, sorta, kinda, sure. It's all these taxis. It's literally a taxi after taxi after taxi. This town is fucking full of taxis. Good bananas. Good sweet bananas. And what is this fucking city bike truck doing over here? That is insane. Good lord. I'm gonna take a left here. Oof. I gave it a bean. Today I recorded 3 vlogs. No, 2, 3. Madness. How many vlogs can a vlogger vlog in a vlog? Alright, I'm gonna slow down. There was no need. No need for that. My back actually even fucking slid there for a second. Jesus God. Somebody please help me. One thing I didn't do is eat food. I'm completely hungry. Whoa, look at this guy. This guy is swerving. I am completely starving and I don't know what to eat. What am I gonna eat? I just went to Jane Motorcycles and A, I had fucking entirely too much coffee. So now I'm like coffeeed out like a motherfucker. And then B, I didn't eat anything. But the C part is that I met a lot of cool people. I spoke to a bunch of cool motorcycle folk, which is always fun, which is always a good time. I do enjoy talking to motorcycle people. I can't tell if this is oh yeah, this is definitely a one-way street. I'm just not trying to be a complete savage here. Here we go. We're gonna take a right. Go this way. Whoa. But yeah, I met a lot of cool motorcycle people today. And why not? You know, why not? Why not talk to strangers about motorcycles, about the love of the sport. Ooh, it's a cute little mamacita over there, chilling. So yeah, part of me, I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go home, park this bike, and yo, what up, bro? Oh, I didn't even see that guy. Who was that? Not sure. Who is that? All right, I'm gonna go around because this is insanity. So many motorcycles today, I can't even believe it. motorcycle is that, I wonder? Can't really tell. It's a Ducati. You going or not? Broski. Oh, my gas light came on. Holy potato. After 70 miles, the gas light is on. The Ducati had enough. It was like, dude, you've been revving the fuck out of me all goddamn day. Stop it. This building is brand new. I do like it. Cool balconies. But yeah. Now I need to decide what I'm gonna eat. I'm either gonna have tacos, banh mi sandwiches. Come on, bros. What's fucking poppin'? Banh mi sandwiches, maybe a chicken parm of some sort. Something like that. Something fun, something simple, something delicious. Yeah, this little Camry in front of me is not trying to make moves. Tourism. They're from Bushwick. They don't come to Williamsburg often, so I can understand how they are confused about the way things operate around these here parts. I'm gonna take a right here, just like so. You got it. Go ahead, bros. No big deal. Here I gotta take a El Leftaru Banzai. None of these mofos are gonna let me, because that's how this cookie will crumble. Come on there, RAV4 champ. RAV4 champ. And here we are. Okay. All right. These two bikes were nosed in because those people are amateurs. Oh, is my blinker on the whole time? Good. Hopefully my blinker has been on for like 5 blocks, because then I would be proud of myself. Right now I'm just like, who knows? Nobody knows. Those bicycles are about to catch up to me, and we're gonna have the same issue again, where they're gonna be like, yo, why did you rev past us, blah blah blah. Like, look, why are they passing me on both sides? Not sure. It's like a leisurely little bicycle ride with a friend. I do enjoy it. I'm not gonna be able to make this light, am I? Fuck. Son of a bitch. Son of a breakfast burrito. Son of a bread basket. Son of a buttercup. Son of a fucking butternut squash. Son of a blowjob. Son of a beaker. Son of a biscuit. Son of a barlathone. Son of barley. Son of a bucket. Yeah, those sorts of sons. But it's all right, lady. You got it. You could do it. You could have done it. You could have easily done it. But it's okay. You didn't want to. By the way, sorry about that rant about son of a. I think I'm losing my bananas. Wait, how come my gas need went away? A second ago it told me I needed gas, and now I don't need gas anymore. What is happening? Why? What is the meaning of this gas crisis that went away? I don't care. I'm getting gas. I am getting gas. And I'm also getting new handlebars. So that should be fun, because these are like ugly and a little rusty. And on top of that, yeah, I'm gonna sell them for like 30-40 bucks. Who knows? And yeah, I'm gonna get aluminum rentals, a little bit lower, or maybe a little bit taller, because I can't get the same exact height, so we'll see. All right, here we go. We're about to fill up with gas. It's gonna be a fun situation. I'll do it in the light, so that way it's better visible. There we go. Let's turn off the machine. Oh, and the GoPro is still going. Silence. God damn, they're fucking talking so much. Here we go. Yes. All right. I need a debit card. I need a debit card. Yeah. Please remove card. Yeah. No problem. Do. YOLO. Please lift handle. 93. Ethanol. Give it some gas. Come on, baby. Fill it up with gas. Fill it up with gas.
Thanks for stopping at Speedway.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I think that's what I need to do. Would you guys comment below if you guys would watch a walking vlog? Because I thought about just walking from Manhattan into Queens.
And now you can scan your Speedy Rewards key
You know?
at the scanner below.
You never know.
And on top of all of that, these screens will help keep you up to date on
I've been riding around for the last like 3-4 hours.
entertainment and special offers available.
Only 2.5 gallons.
We're glad you're here.
I knew it wasn't time for gas just yet.
Great. So let us know how we're doing.
Yeah, almost 3 gallons. But I thought there would be a need for more. Jesus Christ, I can't even focus. There's like music coming from the car over there and music coming from this stupid machine. Ugh, frustration. Can't get over how cranky I am about the whole goddamn thing. I know you're not gonna let me pull in. That's fine. Oh, god damn! My bike just sounds like a bass. I didn't get any food on my journey in Manhattan. Once again, I forgot that I wanted to try this chicken sandwich. I was right next to that place, but I forgot. I was too excited for the ride. But it's okay. I'm not gonna be too upset. It's gonna be all right. Babushka. Here we are. Superstar. People are walking in t-shirts. I'm missing out. I want to walk in a t-shirt. Alright, boys and girls. Well, thank you so much for watching this vloggy vlog. Bye bye.